Hi folks, hope you're having a great day. We have here a bunch of, what's that stuff called? Cabbage. There you go. These are just little cabbage plants that are going to produce some cabbage heads at some point. Zone 9B of Florida, January 4th, 2022. Been a mild winter. Temps have not gotten below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Highly neglected garden, to be quite honest. No nutrients, just water every other day or so, or when it needs it. And that's it. No mulch, no nitrogen, nothing. Anyhow, I just wanted to bring you up to speed on the progress here and show you what's happening. Thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated. Have a great day.